Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to embed Canva design in Google Sites. Okay, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your Canva design. So as you can see, I've opened a presentation over here. Now just go on top right corner, click on share, and here, click on see all, and make sure you have selected this one, embed. Now if you can't find this option, just go on the search bar and type embed. Okay, now click on it and make sure you have selected this one, HTML embed code. Click on copy. Now go back on your Google site. Make sure you are on your website. Go on the right side, click on embed, and here select embed code and paste your code. And after that, click on next. Click on insert. You can increase the size however you want. And as you can see, you are good to go. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.